So, as promised in our last video, this is a review of our quarantine stay when we first arrived in London. It's called Leman Locke, located in Aldgate East. This is what you'll see from the front. It's not their lobby, but it is a cute coffee shop in the building. I love their color palette and the details on this space. And if you go to the other side of the building, you'll find their lobby. You could also access it via the coffee shop. And now, let me show you where we're gonna spend our next 14 days. We chose the studio apartment, and although it seemed small for 2 weeks quarantine, it had everything we needed. The sleeping area has a king-size bed with enough storage space and also a safe. Moving on to the seating area, I absolutely fell in love with it. I just love the use of pastel colors for the walls and the couch. On the other side, you'll find the dining area with an open kitchen layout. It is fully equipped. It has everything you need from pots and pans to cutleries. They even have a washer and dryer, which is a plus point for us, including all the cleaning stuff that you need. The hotel was aware of quarantine rules and adapted their services to accommodate this. So if we needed a fresh set of toiletries or towels, we would call reception and they would leave it outside our door, including any parcel deliveries too. You could also take out any trash you have and put it outside the room, and someone will come and collect it. Overall, it was a very delightful stay, and we ended up extending our stay to 25 days as we needed to go house hunting after we finished our 14-day self-isolation. So let us know if you'd like to see our apartment hunting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one.